Hey everybody, it's Jeff G. Holto, V2M Visionary. I'm here today with the one and only Green Brothers Designs Softail mid-control brake linkage. It's adjustable. That's the problem with Softail mid-control bikes, the M8 bikes, is that they do not have an adjustable pedal height. Everybody's got a different size foot. Everybody has a different riding style, and you need something adjustable. And it's really cool that the guys at Green Brothers came out with this little guy. This is the nicest one I've used. I've used a couple in the past. This one seems to be a little easier to adjust, and the rod ends are really nice. They're black too, and they come in a bunch of different colors, which is cool. You can kind of coordinate all your stuff. In celebration of this thing, Butch Green gave me one of these brake linkages and a shift linkage to give away. So all you have to do is at V2M Visionary, at Green Brothers Designs, and share it with 3 friends that have a Softail and need this stuff. That's it. I'll be giving it away on December 3rd.